Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your Opera browser bookmarks bar looks crowded with long bookmarks names, you can easily make it clean and minimal by showing only the bookmark icons and hiding text. In this video, I will show you how to display bookmarks icons only in the Opera browser and remove the text from the bookmarks bar. So let's get started. First, open Opera browser on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Once the bookmarks bar appears below title bar, you will see your saved bookmarks showing both icons and text. To hide the text and keep only icon, right click on any bookmark and select here edit option. In the name field, erase everything and then click on the save button. That's it. Now you will notice that only the website icon, also known as the favicon, is visible on the bookmarks bar. Repeat the same step for other bookmarks if you want to show icons only. If you ever want to restore the text, simply right click the bookmark again, choose edit and type the name back into the name field and save the changes. Bye.